Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a one styler versus multi-styler experiment. That single styler we'll be using today is a curl activator. I'm going to be starting out with clean, freshly washed, wet hair. And on my left side, I'm going to be doing the multi-styler side, which is what I'm going to be starting out with first. On my right side, I will be doing the single styler curl activator side. So I apply my leave-in and my mousse before I begin using my Denman brush. I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections and run the Denman brush through small 1 to 2 inch sections. Then I'm going to apply the curl activator that we will be testing out today, which will be AG Recoil. I'm going to put that onto my hair using praying hands and then gently scrunch in. And the gel we'll be using today is by Mixed Chicks, their sculpting gel. The container was broken when it arrived to me, so I just put it into a plastic container, which is what you see now. I'm going to be applying that gel the same way with praying hands, and then I'll gently scrunch it in afterwards. By the way, this is the second video in this one styler versus multi-styler series that I'm doing. The first video was experimenting with mousse, so if you guys want to check that out, I will link it above and in the description. Okay, so now on my right side, which is the single styler side, I'm going to separate my hair and use the Denman on that as well. I'm going to apply probably a nickel size amount of AG Recoil into wet hair. I will then use praying hands and scrunch that in. I'm going to be using a little bit more of the AG Recoil than I normally do in hopes that I can get a cast and more of a stronger hold with it. So then I'm going to put my hair into a plop for about 20 minutes with a cotton t-shirt. And once the 20 minutes is up, I'm going to take my hair down and then I will gently scrunch using the t-shirt just to get all the excess water out. Now I'm going to follow up with a little bit more of the AG Recoil on my single styler side, just so I can get a little bit better hold after some of the product has been absorbed by the t-shirt. On my multi-styler side, I will apply more gel emulsified with water into my hands first, of course, and I will apply that to the left side of my hair, which is what I normally do in my styling routine. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like now. Of course, on your left side is the multi-product side, on your right side is the single product side. I will then follow up with a thermal heat protectant. I'm going to use the Cantu thermal shield on all of my hair just to protect it from the heat. And of course, I'm going to diffuse for about 20 minutes, the lazy girl way that I normally do. If you guys are interested in how I do my normal hair care routine and my lazy girl diffusing method, then I will link it in a card above. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after diffusing. You can see a clear difference on both sides of my head, but that is the outcome of this whole experiment. So I'm just now going to let my hair settle a little bit before I scrunch out the crunch. I don't really have much of a cast on the one styler side, which was AG Recoil. I do have a pretty significant, it's an all right cast on the multi-styler side. And as you can tell, there's quite a length difference in my hair. So that's something to note. But yeah, let's get this side out real quick, because I won't really have to do much. Okay, done with that side. Let's get this side. Just FYI guys, I do not use any oils or serums or anything on my hands whenever I'm scrunching out the crunch. I like to go in with clean hands just so I don't weigh down my fine hair. Okay. A few little wonky pieces. All right, so we have AG Recoil, and then we have the multi-product side. AG Recoil, then multi-product styler. My hair pretty much speaks for itself. I do think I would need more than just one styler to have a nice hair wash day and to have longevity over the course of the next few days. I definitely think you can get away with using one styler, that styler being a curl activator. However, my personal preference, I would like to use that in conjunction with something that has a little bit harder, more of a hard hold, such as a gel. If you want something that's going to have a much lighter hold and it won't actually feel like there's anything in your hair, then definitely use a curl activator. And the AG Recoil, it has protein in it, it's moisturizing as well, and it's going to give you a nice soft hold. It won't give you a strong cast, but will give you a little cast. AG Recoil is kind of a holy grail curl activator for many people who have wavy and curly hair, so I wanted to definitely try that one out. I could have tried my ultimate holy grail curl activator, which is Kinky Curly Curling Custard, but I did that in another video, my Battle of the Gels video, because I do kind of use it as a gel, not just a curl activator, so you can check that video out if you want. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want. I make hair videos, I make some plant videos, I make some lifestyle-ish videos. I don't really know. I have a lot of interests. I have a lot of passions. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, then please hit that subscribe button down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are in this world, and I will talk to you later. Bye.